Hello students. So let's continue with the MCQs. The first MCQ for today is: a thin converging lens is used to produce on a screen a focused image of a candle. So here an arrangement is shown where a candle is an object, a convex lens is placed there, and on the other side of the convex lens we have a screen on which we can see real inverted image of candle is formed. Now, let us see the question here. Various focused images are produced on the screen by moving the lens and the screen. So, we know that by moving the lens and the screen, various focus images can be formed on the screen. Which statement is always correct? We know that if we move the lens, what will happen? The object distance will change. The distance between the lens and the candle, that is optical center of the lens and the candle, will change. And hence the image distance will also change accordingly when the lens is moved or the screen is moved. It means to get a clear image on the screen, we always have to move both lens and screen in such a way so that we have to see whether a focused image is formed on the screen or not. For that, we may have to change both lens and screen. We have to change the lens and screen position, and check the positions where the image is properly focused on the screen. Now, so let us see the question. Which statement is always correct? The image is at the principal focus of the lens. The image is bigger than the object. The image is closer to the lens than the object is. The image is inverted. So, there are four options given. Which statement is always correct? The image is at the principal focus of the lens. It is not possible at all, because the candle is lying quite closer. The arrangement is such that the candle cannot be placed at infinite distance from the lens. So that is never possible that the image will be formed on this at the focus of the lens, because that is the case when the object is lying at infinity. The image is bigger than the object. Again, it is not always true, because we know that when the object is kept beyond 2f, then real inverted diminished images are formed. And if the distance is between f and 2f, then enlarged images are formed, real inverted. And when it is between f and o, between focus and optical center, then virtual, erect, magnified images are formed. So its image is not always bigger. The image is closer to the lens than the object is. This is also not always true, because the image distance is changing when the object distance is changing, and it is not that the image is always closer to the lens than the object is. It can be far away from the lens also than the object, as the case may be. Because we know that when the object is placed between f and 2f, the image lies beyond 2f. The image is inverted. Yes, the image is inverted. This is true. Now you may get confused here that when the object is between f and o, image is not inverted, it is erect. But look at the question. Various focus images are produced on the screen by moving the lens and the screen backwards and forwards. We know that only real inverted images can be obtained on the screen. Virtual images cannot be obtained on the screen. It means that images which will be obtained on the screen will be real and inverted always. Hope it is clear to you. So let's move to the next MCQ. Now, the next MCQ is: the properties of the image formed by the plane mirrors are virtual, laterally inverted, inverted, size of the image is equal to that of the object. Choose the correct option. Now, A, B, C, D are the options. In A, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. It means image is laterally inverted, inverted, size of the image is equal to that of the object. So you have to choose out of the 4, A, B, C, D, you have to choose any one option, which in each option we have 3 points taken. So let us recall the properties of image formed by a plane mirror. We know that the image is always of equal size as that of same size as that of an object. It is always virtual and erect. It is always laterally inverted. Laterally inverted, it means left hand side of the object becomes right hand side of the image. It is not just inverted, because when it is written only inverted, it means upside becomes down and downside becomes up. That is not true. So 3 is not true. It means 1, 2 and 4. These are the properties of the image formed by the plane mirrors. Let us see 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4 means D option. So D is a correct option. Hope you have understood these MCQs.